Hi, today I want to show you the website called Artbreeder. Basically, it can create artwork based on some start images you selected. Here is the description, here is an example, here there's a dog, a bubble, and then you can create something like this. There's more details here. Let's start. Okay, I have to sign in or create a new account. I am going to sign in with my Google account. On the starting page, you can already see some artwork here. Some are very artistic already, and some looks like normal portrait photos. Here are the different categories, and here is a small menu. Let's start with create. Then we will see 6 categories here. I want to start with the portraits. And let's go here and select random picture. As you can see, I have done something already. There are some pictures I have saved on my account, but I want to show you here how to select some new picture. You can browse randomly some pictures and to use as a start image. Okay, let's say I pick this one. You can see the photo that's added here, and now I'm going to click on this photo. So you can see the menu is showing children. Using AI, the program just generated some images based on this one, and there's a slider beneath here, and you can make it different. So basically each picture will be very different, and you can select similar, and they will be very similar. So just derive by this original image. That's not very interesting. Let's go over to crossbreed. Then I have to select a second picture. Okay. Let's say I pick this one. Okay, as you can see, this image is a combination of these two images. I can move the slide here. If I move to the face slide, mean I want to have the more features of this face. And the style is, you can see if I move to the right, it's more like painting, this style. Yeah, you will see the color is more on this left hand side. So basically the face is for the face features, and the style is more for the colors. And for example, you can see the hair colors is changing over brighter here. And anytime you can reset it and select another image. Get this one, for example. Okay, let's say I'm happy with this face. I can save it. And if you like that, you can also download it to the local drive and save it, and for the future, whatever you want to do with it. Now I can go to profile and find all my saved picture. Go to created. Here are some pictures I already created. This is the one we just created in the demonstration. There is also a very interesting feature here. This icon, I don't know what it's called. Basically, it will show the history where this picture came from. So these are the 2 pictures I have selected, and I created this one, and this one came from these 2. So basically you can trace back to many generations. So how this is the picture we just created. So the next thing I want to show you is to create another category called landscape. I really loved this one. Okay, here you can see I already saved an image here. I'm going to use this one for the demonstration. As you can see, this picture is quite boring, and I want to make it more interesting. Go to crossbreed, select an image, Let's find something more interesting. For example, this one. There's a little bit water and sunset. Okay, now you can see it becomes much more interesting. Just like the portrait, instead of face, you can pick the contents. It's showing slide over here, and you can get a little bit more atmosphere, the sunset atmosphere here. And I thought that's quite interesting here. This is the original image. Now I got something here, I mix it and it becomes like this. I also want to show you one thing, because there are so many images and sometimes it's really hard to find what you want, especially under the category general. If you go to here, so there are so many images. They came from maybe many generations. You can't even recognize what it's all about. And if you want to generate some image in this category, it's very hard to find something very basic. Say I want to search for something very simple to use to mix my other image. I can click on search and type on fruit, for example. Okay, here you can see some very basic pictures. Okay, let me keep this mushroom and I click on the heart here. Now I keep a kind of bookmark of this image. Now I go to create something, select the general category, go to random images. In this category, most of the images are already unrecognizable. It's already very abstract. So sometimes I don't want to start with an abstract image. Okay, after a while, I found something relatively basic images here, like the dog. Maybe I should use this one. Now go over to here, select the second image, and now I want to find my mushroom. So I click on stare. Here is my mushroom. I already bookmarked some other picture. So you can see my mushroom dog. I can move it over. Okay, now I created a new dog with the legs here. Or I can create a mushroom. Yeah, not bad. Okay. I think this is quite interesting because it seems AI is able to use its knowledge to draw some new thing. It's not really blending two images together. It looks like it's creating a new one. So at the end of this video, I'm going to show you some of my results. I hope you just got a little bit new information from this video. If you like the video, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.